The specification chain was the third and final topic tackled as part of the Dulux Trade Leading and Specification construction debate.
Who has the leadership role or should have the leadership role? Because as we said, in terms of clients' aspirations, there's a very wide spectrum.
The designer gets hit with this information and decides what's best for his building, therefore specifies. Never sees this person again. Then has to go through a whole series of contractual hoops, where that specification may come under considerable pressure from a technical, from a time, a cost, or quality type process, to the point where finally a contractor, under extreme commercial pressures, wins the job and then goes and does a deal with him. What makes it even worse is, at this point, another person, a quantity surveyor, is telling him how much this is going to cost. So it's too complex.
We've actually been able to cut through this conversation around early engagement in the supply chain and bring them in on day one. Now our cost base is going down, not because the product's cheap and not because we're going through aggressive tendering exercises, but actually two things. One, because actually their designs are impacting actually how we do things, how much materials actually go into the building in the first place. We don't have the building obsolete or contingency as a result, because we're not quite sure as to the relationship with the manufacturer. We're not getting contingency in there from the supply chain or trade contractor either. And actually we're reducing the cost base of those organisations because they're not having to go through tendering hoops with us all the time. We've got to try and understand how do people interface with the public realm and with the private realm that we're delivering to them in this next 10, 15 years, because they're going to want so much different that we haven't even thought about yet.
We're lucky at AkzoNobel because we've got a lot of customers who are innovators as well. So we're being driven to innovate as well as trying to lead to innovate. The message that I would like to send out to contractors and clients is, don't ask us to make paints which are more efficient at decorating a wall. Try and share with us at a higher level what the building outcome is that you want to get. What is that? What is the use of the building? So, and I think when we start doing that and we start having these discussions with contractors and we start having these discussions with clients, then we are better able to direct our R&D and better able to apply the existing products that we have, the existing technology we have, to that better building outcome.
Other issues addressed in the construction leading and specification discussion included sustainability versus cost and BIM.